Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for this video because it's gonna be another Sephora haul, and let's just get started because I'm excited to show you guys what I got from Sephora. I mean, the bag just like so huge, but they don't have the regular medium bag. Jessica, that's the lady told me, and they only have like the small and the large one, so I got like the large one. All right, so let's just start. I literally just need few stuff from there, and I'm ending up with a couple. So all right, so the first thing here is the number 0, and I did like a Sephora haul, I don't know, a couple months ago, and this is like my second purchase from them, just because if you guys can tell, like this hair, I haven't washed it for I think 4 or 5 days now, and look at my hair, you guys. It's freaking amazing. I know I don't wash my hair, like I normally just wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, but I push it to 5 days. Well, I'm gonna shower tonight, but look how amazing it is. Like, look how amazing my hair has been. And I use this, so I use this like literally just once a week, or 2 to 3 times if you have like a damaged hair, but I just literally just use it for one times a week. And I believe this one comes with the number 3, which is this tiny one. So the bottle look like this, and this is 28 US dollars, and this is for primes and repairs, strengthens and protect all hair skin types. Ever since I started using Olaplex, like I never went back. Like, even though they're expensive, I can totally see the difference from my hair. Like literally see the difference. Like, this is a almost 5-day hair. Like, I haven't washed this hair and it still looks very good. So anyways, like I said, this is the number 0. For this whole bottle, I use it 3 times just because I have a little thick hair, and you just need to saturate your hair with this one if you're using this, and leave it for 10 minutes, and then you can use the number 3 after using this one and leave it for 10 minutes. So I like how it always comes with this number 3. So yeah, that's that. And then the next one is a set. So I seen this a lot online and also in Sephora website that they had like this set, and you literally can save so much money because, like I said, Olaplex is not cheap. They're very high-end like brand, and my purpose was just to get the number 0, the conditioner, because I'm almost halfway through my conditioner again, and also the number 6 because I am running low on my number 6. But then when I saw this, I'm just like, this set is 60 bucks. The only good thing about this set is it's 60 bucks and you have 4. So you have the number 6. Let me just try to open this up. Let me just, how do you know what, here, I don't even know how to, okay, here we go. So let's try to open this real quick. All right, so it has the number 3, which I still have a, you know, number 3, but this is good for like backup. So number 3, I believe this is the shampoo and conditioner, which is number 4, and number 5, and we have the number 6. So the good thing, like I said, the good thing about this, since each of these is $28, I mean literally 28 bucks, you save so much money out of it, because look, this alone is $28. This one is $28, and also this one is $28 if you buy them separately. But if you buy this on set, you save so much money, because if you think about it, this too, it's gonna cost you what, 56 bucks, and this whole set is just 60 bucks, and you get another like conditioner and shampoo, which is really amazing. So you got the shampoo. Shampoo takes forever. This shampoo is amazing. That's why I haven't been like repurchasing the shampoo, just because I still have like half of them, and I love using a lot of conditioner. That's why I keep repurchasing them. But look, it's only like I said, it's 3.3 fluid ounces. You do have the bigger sizes than this, and it costs 28 bucks. But like I said, you save so much money just buying like the whole set, and it comes with the number 3 and number 6. So I'm just gonna use this for now, which is a conditioner, and I'll probably buy if I'm running low again. So yeah, I'll just buy it next time. But yeah, it's amazing. This set is a freaking amazing. You save so much money out of it. All right, next one is we have, let's see, this is a repurchase again from my Anastasia brow dip pomade, and this one is very dry, and I have been using this for like, I would say over 5 years now. I know sometimes like they expired as soon as possible, but now it's very dry. Even though I put oil, it's just a bit tacky. I don't know, so that's why I decided I'm just gonna buy a new one. So I got another pomade from Anastasia, and I got the shade Ebony right there. I like my how do you call this, my eyebrow black, even if I like kind of like dye my hair. But yeah, I just like to use Ebony like dark pomade. So I use this to fill in my brows, and normally I just line it up first with my NYX. So yeah, I freaking love this. Oh my god, look how cute and satisfying that is. So this is for just a backup for my my Anastasia, because that one is really dry. So I'm just probably gonna end up like throwing it away. All right, so the next one is, I've been seeing a lot lately on this like Nars. I know this like really old, but it kind of cover up some of like your, if you have like pimple or acne. I followed this girl Michaela on TikTok, and when she had like a lot of like acne scars, and she recommend to use a Nars spot concealer, which I do have this one, like the creamy concealer, which works amazing, and I'm also wearing it right now. And I got the shade Custard in this one, and why did I get the ginger? This one is a little bit light, but I don't know why I got the ginger. I thought I got a custard one. Anyway, so this is the ginger. This may work for me though, but we'll see. If it's not this, if the shade is a little bit off, then I'll just probably return them and get the shade Custard. But this one is in the shade medium to ginger, and I believe this is 30 bucks. Yeah, this is 30 bucks. So I'm just gonna put it there. All right, the next one is this. I just discovered this, and I should have just discovered this sooner. So anyways, this is the Inkey List, and my purpose is to get the moisturizer, because I believe the moisturizer costs only $4, and they carry at Sephora. It's shocking. It's very affordable. So anyways, I was just gonna get a moisturizer because I don't have any moisturizer anymore. I did get like a moisturizer from Target, which is from this brand Verse, and also wearing it right now. My makeup really looks good. So yeah, this is the one that I got. So anyways, I also saw this over there. Just if you want, let me try this one. So this is the hyaluronic acid, and it says best for everyone. It says helps to hydrate and plump skin. So cute. And I believe this is like it's kind of expensive. This is like $9.99, which is almost 10 bucks. I love, it's so tiny. I love the packaging, but it's so tiny. So that's that. All right, the next one is, okay, so this one is, I got this 2 weeks ago, but I'm just gonna, show it to you guys because I got it from Sephora as well. So this is the Makeup by Mario, and if you don't know Makeup by Mario, he is like the makeup artist. He always do Kim Kardashian's makeup. So anyways, he finally released his own line, which is amazing. So I was curious on like the brown liner, because I have been doing a like wing brown liner, And you know what, I'm gonna like, because I normally use like the eyeshadow for like to do that like brown liner thing, and I don't have any brown eyeliner. So I used this 2 days ago. It's really creamy, you guys. I freaking love it, but I haven't used it right now, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. So right here and on the side, it has this like a shader brush, I would say, right there. And then on the other side is the liner. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick swatch. Oh my god, that is so creamy. This one I didn't really get it, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys. I have to get this for me. Okay, hold on. All right, so this is the Dior Addict lip gloss in the shade, what is it? Okay, Dior Addict Stellar lip gloss. Look at that packaging, in the shade Glitz. Oh my god, this is like my first like Dior like makeup or like lipstick. That is so freaking cute. I'm gonna swatch it real quick. Oof. Look at the applicator. Wow. Okay, so let me give you guys a swatch. It's like peachy mauve color. That's kind of look like it. Yeah. Okay, I was trying to see if it has like a scent, but I can't smell. Okay, so this is the last one, and this is the Duvolle, the Hermes. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so don't be coming at me how to properly pronounce it. So let me just this. Okay. Also, this is like my first Hermes like perfume. Look at the packaging. It's so bright, colorful. I can already smell it for some reason. You guys, oh my, look how cute it is. Oh my god, look, it's so tiny, but look how cute it is. Okay, we have to smell it. It comes with this like little twilly too. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my god, that smells really good. Oh my, it's very fresh. I am not like a perfume thing. Like, to me it smells very fresh, lightweight. Like, you wear this if you go on like if you go out, if you go to like church. This smells amazing. Holy wow. And it's made in France. Oh my god, you guys, this smells amazing. Holy guacamole. But look at the packaging now. Can we talk about the packaging, because it's freaking amazing. Anyways, that is it for this haul. I hope you like this haul. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you guys don't know, I'm doing a $100 giveaway. Please join, so I can finally give you guys, like, you know, so I can finally tell you guys who's the winner. But like I said, I have to reach 2,000 subscribers first on YouTube, and also 1,000 followers on my Instagram. So yeah, we are so close on YouTube and also so close at Instagram. So if you guys want to invite some of your friends, if you know, if they want to win $100, so I'll put like the link here on like the actual video on how to on how to enter the giveaway. So yeah, like I said, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.